Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through important updates to the Salesforce Certification Experience launching 21st of July 2025. These changes affect Salesforce, Tableau, MuleSoft, Slack, and Accredited Professional certifications. What's changing? Starting July 21st, all Salesforce certifications will move to Trailhead Academy. This unified experience brings certification registration, history, and personalized learning recommendations into one central place. Why this change? Previously, Trailblazers accessed certification information across multiple platforms. This change simplifies that by consolidating everything into one user-friendly hub, making it easier to manage your learning journey. To prepare, make sure your Trailblazer profile is linked to your Webassessor or Tableau certification email. If you don't have a profile yet, go to trailhead.com and create one using your certification email address. Key dates to remember. Here are the 3 important dates. June 30, last day to register exams via Webassessor or Tableau portal. June 6 or July 13 is the last day to complete Tableau and Salesforce exams. And 21st of July, the new certification experience launches on Trailhead Academy. If you've scheduled exams after the cutoff date, reschedule them earlier or wait to book in the new system. All unused, non-expired voucher codes can still be applied in the new experience after July 21st. Certification exams will now be delivered via a new instance of Pearson VUE. While registration and scheduling can happen on mobile, exams themselves must be taken on a desktop or laptop. Tableau certifications are joining the Salesforce family. All Tableau exams and certifications will follow the same process as Salesforce, including voucher use, mobile registration, and centralized certification records. Now, what will the new experience look like? You'll log in through your Trailblazer profile and see a personalized dashboard. It highlights your upcoming exams, recommended certifications, learning paths, and a searchable catalog based on role, skill, or product. How exam registration will work. Choose an exam, click Register Now, and select whether you want to take it online or at a testing center. You'll be redirected to Pearson VUE to finalize your registration and access prep materials. In summary, Salesforce is making it easier than ever to manage your certifications. Get ready by setting up your Trailblazer profile and marking your calendar for July 21st when the new certification experience officially launches. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.